Hello, my name is Jim Sexton. I'm the production supervisor of the paint and assembly departments. I've been with Artsway for the past 8 years. Over the past few years, we've been focusing on how to improve the culture at Artsway. One of the things we have tried to do is interview, select, and hire the best candidate. We've tried to match their skill sets with the position that they would be successful at and they would enjoy doing on a daily basis. We try to hire as many referrals as possible from our current workforce. We trust their opinion. So if they have a friend or family member that is looking for a job, we want to reward their efforts by hiring someone they know. We also believe with promoting from within. We try to fill all open positions with our current workforce. We want all employees to be able to advance to higher paying positions when possible. Another focus has been to treat each employee as a person, not an employee number. We value and respect their opinions. We want and need their input surrounding safety, quality, and production efficiencies. During this year's employee review process, I had several employees tell me that this is the first job in a long time that they look forward to going to. So if you're currently unemployed and looking for a great opportunity, please apply. Or if you're currently employed but do not feel valued or respected, please apply. I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you for your time.